out of 12 trading days, including today, only one has been a red day for me. Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well. It's been a while since I recorded a video, so I thought today is a good day. I'm on my way currently to a meeting. But I did trade today, just one trade, and I wanted to share something interesting, I would say. What earlier was a fantasy for me actually is true, so I want to show some proof of that. Yeah, good day in general and good performance. December has been a very interesting month for me, and I'll show you. As you can see, that out of 12 trading days, including today, only one has been a red day for me. So, and that too, I'll show the amount of that particular day. That was just 10,000, which itself I made 20 yesterday. That's more than double. And this is today. Since I took this one trade, that's all. So that's above 90% strike rate. Green days. Earlier, this was just a fantasy for me. Like any beginner trader, that is it possible also? Because 95% of the people lose. So yeah, it is possible. I just showed you my December. November, I was not very active since I was traveling. I was settling to my new place. So just want to remind you and motivate you guys that being green is very much possible, and also consistently. Even that red day I could have avoided. Yeah, that was my first day trading after some gap, since I was, like I said, settling. So yeah, it's been good. Today itself was also good. Today I was a bit occupied. Even right now I'm on my way to the meeting. I thought, let's make a quick small video. Today was very interesting and volatile. So yeah, that's all guys. Hope you guys liked it. I have received some complaints for you guys that I don't reply to some text messages. Well, I realized that I always give my international number, my European number, but since I'm back in India, I'm using my Indian number. So if you want to contact me, you can contact me on that number. I will put that in the description, and we can take your trading forward. I'm a trader myself, and one thing what has changed in my trading, which has made a dramatic change in my results, is trying to not trade like a retail trader, if you know what I mean. There's a misconception that it is, let me put this down. There's a misconception that trading is about buyer versus seller. No, not at all. It is about retail traders versus the banks and financial institutions. They know how retail traders trade. They have the best analysts, a lot of capital with a lot of zeros in it. And they know inside out. They know news sometimes before it is official. So there are so many factors. The odds are against a normal retail trader like you and I. So therefore we cannot be acting in a particular way what everyone is doing, because everyone is failing. That's what the stats are. 95% of the people fail. So you have to do something different. I cannot explain how dramatically my results have changed. So there are certain ways you can spot and identify where the banks and financial institutions are buying or selling. There are so many ways, so many tricks, Sometimes it's like daylight robbery. That's how I used to think earlier. When I was waiting for a move to happen, it shows down, but it makes a false breakdown, and then it goes up. So I'm like, man, this is fixed. You cannot win this. But then instead of just blaming, I tried to study hard, and I found my own ways and my own methods and tools. So if you're interested, hit me up, contact me. Trust me, there's another side to losing, and that is winning. And it's great, you can use the market as a real, as an ATM, anytime money. That's what the institutions are doing. So there's a way to trade these markets, a way to read these charts even without any indicator, not even a moving average. Of course, these things help. I've said in my previous videos that indicators are just an indication towards something, and different indicators indicate different things. But the candles itself, let me tell you a secret, the candles itself are an indication. You just need to know the language right. Every candle has a significance. Every single candle. I'll repeat that again. Every single candle has a significance, an importance, and a meaning to it. And that's something I didn't realize. So now sometimes I'm in the moves just before it takes off. Earlier you try to, like how normal retail traders, you buy on top, or once it starts going up, then you buy, and then it falls. And when it falls, you sell it, and then it rises up. Oh, what the hell? I know, I've been there. I know the frustration. So if you are someone who's been through that, don't have to suffer. There's really a different side to this thing. It took me a while to figure it out, but yeah, it was worth. I've also had some painful days, and my P&L could look opposite, with one day green and a lot of red. I've been through the whole cycle. I'm trading this since 5 years, so I've been through all kind of stages, and I've paid for a lot of lessons. So hopefully you guys find this video useful, and even if you choose to learn yourself, I'm not telling you have to learn from me. I just tell you the biggest thing what I can share with you. My best suggestion is that you follow the price, because price is king, like I said. So that's it for today's video. I'm in some outskirts of the city of Calcutta, on my way headed to somewhere interesting. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly like and subscribe. I have 211 subscribers as of now, so that's great. And yeah, it would be nice if you could subscribe. If you see this video, you like it, you think I'm making sense, subscribe, so I can put more of such videos. And if there's something in particular you want to see, let me know. And sorry if you didn't find the video a bit noisy and so on. I'm doing it with my GoPro, and the car is shaking a bit, and the roads are not that smooth. So yeah. Alright, so see you in the next video. Take care, trade safe, and let's win, guys.